just finished the Ashtead Choral Society concert. Absolutely fantastic audience, fantastic act of remembrance, and the choir, soloists, organ and Kent Symphonia all on absolute top form this evening. Just an absolute joy to be actually conducting the concert. It was such a lovely concert. You know, I just thought everything from the Haydn Nelson Mass right through to the Fauré Requiem were absolutely stunning. Lots of dynamic contrasts, and I couldn't have been more proud of everyone involved, really. Absolutely fantastic.
Well, what a brilliant evening of music we've had this evening with the Fauré and the Haydn Masses and Requiems. We've had a great time, and we look forward to welcoming more singers to join us in the future.